Hi, today I'm going to introduce you a really cool bacteria called Pseudomonas bacteria. It might not look like much, but it plays a huge role in helping cleaning up environmental pollution. So let's start with the basics. Pseudomonas bacteria is a gram-negative, rod-shaped aerobic bacteria, which means it needs oxygen to survive, and it has a long cylindrical shape when viewed under a microscope, just like this. And it belongs to the genus Pseudomonas, which includes many species that live in water and soil. So we commonly find them in soil, freshwater, and even wastewater environments. So it feeds on organic materials, including things like fatty acids, sugars, and other carbon-based compounds. In nature, Pseudomonas bacteria help break down waste and recycle nutrients back into the ecosystem. And here's where it gets exciting. So Pseudomonas bacteria is used in bioremediation, which is when living organisms are used to clean up pollution. This bacteria is capable of breaking down toxic chemicals like oil, plastics, solvents, and even heavy metals. Scientists have even genetically modified it to help clean up substances like toluene and benzene, which are common in industrial spills. And why it's effective. So Pseudomonas work well because it can survive in harsh environment and eat pollutants that most organisms even cannot touch. It's often used in contaminated soil and water, and scientists sometimes add nutrients to help them to grow faster. So it was also the first living organism to ever be patented in US back in 1980. That moment changed the biotechnology forever and opened the door for using microbes to fix environmental problems. And is this safe and effective? In most cases, yes. It's been proven to reduce pollution without harming the environment. It works best under certain conditions, for example, when there is enough oxygen and moderate temperature. There are some concerns about genetic modification, but Pseudomonas bacteria is considered low risk and environmental friendly. And to wrap up, Pseudomonas bacteria is an example of how science is using nature to fix problems humans created. It's powerful, adaptable, and still being studied for even more uses. And that's how a tiny bacteria is helping clean up our planet. Alas, it's the reference, which is Lorbein Library and other websites. And thank you for listening.